It's our first DJI gadget, DJI Mic Mini. The first gadget for our vlogging industry. Let's start to unbox this. Fabric feels good. It's some and then the gadget there. Let's try to carry it unwrapped. It's come with the magnetic stuff. This is our transmitter. This is our receiver. It comes with a dial to adjust the decibel intake. Got a nice LED which shows you which pair of your mic is connected. And then got a USB port. There you go. A detailed review will be shown to you after a while. So we're gonna definitely try this gadget first with a couple of videos which are coming in this later series. This is a mandatory gadget for a clear audio. There will be many stories, but until the story is nicely captured, heard by the audience, the story doesn't lies there. So we are adding this to our shelf and we're gonna try to create more videos, interesting videos, and we'll take a in-depth review of this in later hours.